Hello guys, welcome back. My apologies for my raspy voice, but anyway, today let us make some pickled homemade chili. And to make that, you'll need half an onion sliced, a white onion or a red onion if you have, but a white onion is what I usually use. And then I'll be using also half a cup of red sliced chilies, that's about 150 grams, and some vinegar. I'll be adding in 1 cup of white vinegar in there to really pickle the chilies and the onion. And to that, we'll also be adding in some olive oil. I'm going to be adding in a 1/4 cup of olive oil. You want to ensure that your olive oil that you use is the highest quality. If you don't have olive oil, you could also just use vegetable oil, but this will help to add some interesting flavor to this. And I'm going to be adding in a teaspoon of salt, as well as a teaspoon of garlic, ginger, and chili paste. I did not have garlic cloves or ginger, otherwise I would have used 1 thumb of ginger and 2 garlic cloves sliced. And then I'm also going to be adding in a teaspoon of sugar. Close that with a lid and give it a mix. You can let this pickled chili stand in the fridge for a couple of days before you eat it for the flavors to become nice and merry and even more intense, but otherwise it is still equally as delicious if you serve it immediately. So just serve it over your favorite food and enjoy.